Okay, good morning student. In the today's video we are going to revise a chapter lines and angles. Okay, and in that next exercise we are going to revise. As you know that in our previous video we have revised exercise 9.1. Now in this today's video we are going to revise exercise 9.2. Okay, exercise 9.2 from a chapter lines and angles. Lines and angles. Okay, lines and angles. That first question number 1 is nothing but if a line P is parallel to line Q, line P is parallel, line P is parallel to line Q, and M is the transversal and M is the transversal, M is the transversal, M is the transversal. If angle 1 is equals to 65 degree, if angle 1 is equals to 65 degree, then find the measure of the remaining angles. Then find the measure of the remaining angle, measure of the remaining angle. Okay, measure of the remaining angle, and figure is given here along with the question. Line P is parallel to line Q. Suppose this line P and this is the line Q. Okay, and these two lines are parallel to each other, P and Q, and the transversal is M. Okay, and M is the transversal. So angle formed after by transversal on a two parallel line are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These 8 angles were formed, and among that one angle, one measure is given here, which is equals to 65 degree. Angle 1 is a 65 degree. So let's start the answer. Since line P is parallel to line Q, line P is parallel to line Q, and angle 1 is equals to 65 degree. Okay, now I am directly writing the answers and giving a reason in the next. Therefore angle 3 is equal to 65 degree. What is the reason? Vertical opposite angles, VOA, vertical opposite angle, vertical pair of opposite angle. Since VOA, vertical pair of opposite angles are equal in a measure. Now after that also angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Why this angle 1 and angle 4 is equals to 180 degree? Because angles in a linear pair, ALP, you can write ALP also, angles in a linear pair. So angle 1 is a 65, therefore which implies 65 degree plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. So transfer that 65 on other side, it goes in the angle 4 is equals to 180 degree minus 65 degree. So total will get 115 degree. Okay, 115, angle 4 is equals to 115 degree. which implies angle 2 is equals to 115. Okay, why this is equals to 115? So reason behind it, vertical opposite angle, vertical pair of opposite angle. So that's why this is also the same. Okay. Okay, no problem. Now the next, I hope that you are understand this. Now we have calculated here that four angles. The upside four angles we have calculated. These angles over, 1 is over, 2 is over, 3 is over, 4 is over. Okay, angle 2 also over. So now next we will write here, next angle 2 and angle, which angle, 8 are alternate pair of angle, or you can see 3 and 5. Next, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 2 is equal to angle 8. So the reason behind that both is nothing but alternate opposite angle. Alternate angles, pair of alternate angles only you can write, alternate angles. Okay, so therefore angle 5 is equal to angle 8 is equal to, what is the measure of angle 2? 115 degree. Now as you know that angle 3 is equal, angle 8 is equals to 115, angle 5 is equals to, no, angle 5 not, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, that's correct. Angle 2 is equals to angle 8, so angle 3, angle 5 is equals to, no, angle 5 is not equal to angle 8. So which one? Angle 3 is equal to angle 5, which is equals to, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 3 is equals to angle 5, and the measure of angle 3 is here, that is nothing but 65. Okay, 65 degree, and angle 2 is equal to angle 8 is equals to 115 degree. Okay, now after that angle 5 is vertical opposite to angle 7. Angle 5 also, angle 5 is equals to angle 7 is equals to 165. Okay, reason is vertical opposite angle. Okay, and angle, which one is vertical opposite? Now remaining angle is a 6. Angle 8 is equals to angle 6 because 155 degree, 115 degree, sorry, and the reason is again vertical opposite angles, pair of vertical opposite angles are equal in a measure. Okay, so this way we have calculated all the 8 angles. 1 is equals to 3, 3 is equals to 5, 5 is equals to 7. So finally we will write all pairs. Angle 1 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 5 is equals to angle 7, which is equals to 65 degree, and angle 2 is equals to angle 4 is equals to angle 8 is equal to angle 6 is equals to 115 degree. Okay, you can use corresponding angles also. Okay, so 4 is corresponds to angle 8, angle 1 is corresponds to angle 5, 3 is corresponds to 7, and 2 is corresponds to 6. This reason also you can use. So reason is a depend on your choice. Okay, no restriction for that. Now next question, question number 2 from a same exercise. Question number 2. question number second, which is nothing but a, in the adjoining figure, the line P is parallel to line Q. In the adjoining figure, line P is parallel to line Q, and line R and line M is a transversal. Parallel to line Q, and line Q is parallel to line R. Okay, 3 lines. And line M is the transversal. Line M is the transversal. If angle 2 is equal to 115, if angle 2 is equal to 115 degree, so then find the measure of the angles. Then find the measure of angles. Then find the measure of angles. Measures of angles. Angle 1, comma angle 3, comma angle 4, and angle 5. Okay. So figure I am drawing here. Line P is parallel to line Q, is parallel to line R. These 3 lines are parallel to each other, and line M is the transversal. So concept of transversal is nothing but if a line cut by 2 other line at a 2 distinct point. These 2 are the distinct point. So that line is called the transversal. Okay. So let's start the answering question. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1, angle 2, then sorry, here not. Angle 2 is here. Angle 2, angle 3 is here downside. Angle 4, and then angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, so let's start the answer of that question. It's very simple. Only we have to apply the criterion of parallel lines. Okay, everyone's know very well the 3 criterion of a parallel lines. When the 2 lines are parallel, if their alternate pair of alternate interior angles are equal in measure, corresponding angles are equal in measure, and interior angle on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So how to start the answer? Since line P is parallel to line Q is parallel to line R. Okay, and line M is the transversal. So therefore, and also one more thing, also angle 1 is equals to 115 degree. Angle 1 is equals to 115 degree. So angle 1 and 2 are corresponding angles, you know that. Therefore angle 1 is equals to angle 2 is equals to 115 degree. The reason behind that is nothing but corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angle, pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles are equal in a measure. Now as this 2 is 115, also which implies angle 2 is equal to angle 3, which is equal to 115 degree. Reason is vertical opposite angle. Pair of vertical opposite angles. Okay, now angle 3 and angle 5 are again corresponding, which implies angle 3 is equal to angle 5, which is equal to 115 degree. Reason is corresponding angle. Okay, corresponding angles, and now last question that remain 4. Now angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair, angles in a linear pair, ALP, angles in the linear pair are supplementary. Therefore angle 4 is nothing but we have to find out angle 4 plus angle 5 is 115, which is equals to 180. So angle 4 is equals to 180 minus 115 degree, which is equal to 65 degree. Angle 4 is equals to 65 degree. So this way we have calculated all the remaining angles using only one measure of an angle if the lines are parallels. Okay, so I hope that you all understand this question. Now there are some questions remain in the exercise, so the remaining question we will solve in the next coming video. So till that we are stopping here. Okay, so take care. Thank you very much.